There's something almost everyone does right after boarding a flight, and most don't even know it could mess up the entire trip. You think you're being smart, but that one small habit could cost you your bag, delay your flight, and even land you in a long talk with airport security. The worst part? Airlines won't say a word about it. But today, that changes. You're about to discover the most tightly held travel hacks, tips airports and airlines quietly hope you'll never find out. From clever packing tricks to airport secrets, every detail in this video could save you stress, time, and even money. Let's dive in. Number 1. The baggage sticker that could send your luggage to the wrong country. You've checked your bag, it's tagged, and you're ready to go. But hiding in plain sight is a mistake that could send your suitcase halfway across the world without you. Those old stickers from past flights, maybe from last summer's vacation or a work trip, can confuse the bag sorting machines. These systems scan barcodes to decide where each bag goes, and leftover tags can trick them. Suddenly, your suitcase meant for Rome ends up in Tokyo. Before every trip, take a moment to peel off all old tags. It takes seconds, but it could save you days of trying to find lost luggage in the wrong city. Number 2. Why that innocent bag of coffee might get you pulled aside. If you've ever packed a few coffee beans as a gift, or just for your morning fix, think twice. While it seems harmless, TSA agents are trained to spot items used to mask the smell of banned substances. Coffee has a strong scent, and it's sometimes used to hide more serious things. Even if your intentions are clean, your bag might get flagged for extra screening. You could end up delayed, questioned, or worse, missing your flight. The safer move? Buy coffee at your destination or pack it in sealed original packaging. It's a simple way to avoid unnecessary attention at the checkpoint. Number 3. A dead laptop could get confiscated. Here's why. It sounds strange, but airport security might ask you to power on your laptop. If it doesn't turn on, you've got a problem. Officers need to be sure it's a real device, not something dangerous hidden in a shell. A dead battery makes that impossible. In some cases, security may hold the device or pull you aside for further inspection. Imagine trying to explain that your laptop is just low on battery while you're already late for boarding. Avoid the risk entirely by charging your devices fully before heading to the airport, and always pack chargers in your carry-on, just in case. Number 4. Overpacking just in case will slow you down every time. We've all stuffed things in our bags that we never actually use. That third pair of shoes, the backup jacket, or that extra set of toiletries, just in case. But all that extra weight doesn't help. It slows you down at security, eats up precious luggage space, and may even lead to overweight bag fees. The truth is, most of us only use half of what we pack. Travel becomes easier when you bring only the essentials. Not only will your suitcase be lighter, but your stress level will be too. Efficient packing makes the entire airport experience smoother from start to finish. Number 5. That toothbrush could be the reason your bag gets flagged. Electric toothbrushes are compact and convenient, especially for travelers who care about dental hygiene, but many of them run on lithium batteries, the kind airport scanners love to flag. These batteries are sensitive and sometimes unstable, especially at high altitudes. Security teams often inspect any device with one. If it's deep in your bag, it could mean a full search, and no one wants to unpack in front of a crowd. To avoid the extra screening, either pack a manual toothbrush or place your electric one somewhere easily accessible for quick inspection. It's a tiny adjustment that can keep you moving. Number 6. Why wrapping your valuables in foil might look suspicious. Aluminum foil might seem like a clever way to protect your items. It's sturdy, keeps things clean, and maybe even feels secure. But airport scanners rely on X-rays, and foil blocks those rays completely. When a bag filled with foil-wrapped items passes through, the scanner shows dark, unreadable spots. That's an instant red flag. Security will stop the bag, unwrap every item, and question what you're hiding. It's not illegal, but it is suspicious. Instead, use clear plastic containers or travel pouches that show exactly what's inside. You'll breeze through screening while keeping your items just as safe. Number 7. TSA scanners can ruin your film. Here's what to do instead. For travelers who still shoot on film, airports can be a hidden enemy. The X-ray scanners used at security are known to damage undeveloped film, especially high-speed types. One pass through the machine can fog your rolls, ruin contrast, and leave you with blank or blurry photos. That's your memories, your work, gone in seconds. The fix is easy but often overlooked. Keep your film in a separate pouch and politely request a hand check. TSA agents are trained for this, and most will do it if asked. It takes a little more time, but it protects moments you can't capture again. Number 8. The sample size trick that saves you space and stress. Liquid rules are strict. Anything over 100 milliliters? Confiscated. But packing for air travel doesn't mean sacrificing your personal care. Many brands now offer tiny versions of essentials: shampoo, toothpaste, even skincare. These fit perfectly into your carry-on and won't raise eyebrows at security. Besides making the process faster, going mini means you can avoid checking a bag entirely. That saves time, fees, and the stress of wondering if your luggage made the connection. Build a small travel-only kit with all your essentials in sample sizes. You'll breeze through checkpoints and keep everything you need close by. Number 9. Don't toss that hotel shower cap. Use it like this. It's easy to overlook those free shower caps you find in hotel bathrooms, but they're more useful than they look, especially when it comes to packing shoes. Instead of letting dirty soles touch your clean clothes, just slide each shoe into a cap. It's quick, clean, and completely free. No more wrapping shoes in grocery bags or worrying about smudging your white shirts. Plus, you're repurposing something that would otherwise go to waste. Simple tricks like this keep your suitcase organized and your clothes in better condition. And the next time you grab a hotel shower cap, you'll actually smile about it. Number 10. This candle trick can waterproof your fabric suitcase. Rainstorms don't wait for your flight to schedule, and if you're rolling a fabric suitcase, that downpour could soak everything inside. But here's a hack most people have never tried. Rub a plain candle across the fabric surface. The wax creates a light, invisible coating that helps repel water. While it won't make your bag fully waterproof, it buys you time in bad weather and keeps your belongings drier. It's a clever fix for travelers headed to rainy destinations or just walking long distances outdoors. With a little prep, even a surprise storm won't catch you off guard. Number 11. Rolling versus folding. What actually works best? There's a reason this debate keeps popping up. Should you roll or fold your clothes? The answer depends on your bag. If you're using a backpack or a duffel, rolling is your best bet. It saves space, reduces wrinkles, and makes everything easier to grab. But if you're working with a hard suitcase, folding works better. It stacks neatly and lets you see your outfits at a glance. The real key is consistency. Don't mix both methods. Choose the one that suits your luggage and stick with it throughout your packing. Your clothes will thank you, and so will your back. Number 12. The easy mistake that could trigger a TSA search. Some things might seem harmless to you, but airport security sees them differently. That cool bottle opener shaped like a tiny gun? Or that old wrench you forgot was in your backpack? Even realistic looking toys can cause a problem. If it even remotely resembles a weapon or tool, it could cause delays, inspections, or worse. Security can't afford to take chances, so when you're packing, double check your bag for anything sharp, metallic, or unusual. It might not seem like a big deal at home, but at the airport, it's a different story. Safe travel starts with safe packing. Number 13. Backpacks don't belong in the overhead bin. Here's why. It's tempting to toss your backpack into the overhead bin as soon as you find your seat, but doing that can make the boarding process harder for everyone. Those bins are designed for larger carry-ons, shared space meant for suitcases, not personal items. When backpacks take up that room, other passengers have to check their bags at the last minute. That causes delays, arguments, and stress for flight attendants too. Keeping your backpack under the seat in front of you not only helps others, but also keeps your essentials within reach. Snacks, chargers, headphones, all right where you need them. And there you have it, real travel hacks the airline would never put in their brochures. These aren't just tips, they're game changers for anyone who wants to fly smoother, smarter, and without the usual airport chaos. Now you know what to avoid, how to pack, and which tricks actually work. If any of these surprised you, hit that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense travel tips. There's a whole world out there, and getting there doesn't have to be a nightmare. Travel safe, pack smart, and check out our next video for more secrets to mastering the skies.